Hi there and welcome to another Terptree TV coming straight to you from Ikea Reading. So this week I'm in Ikea. It's the summer holidays at the request of my two young children, and interestingly it's not me who wants to be at Ikea, although I'm not complaining that I'm here. I love being in Ikea. It's actually the request of the children. And why would that be? Well, having a chat to them on the way here in the car, number one, they said they love Ikea because they can walk around the room sets, get a real feel for what goes on in those rooms, and really feel like they're part of that full environment. They really thoroughly enjoy that. They get themselves a little measuring tape at the beginning, they fill in little items as they're going along. They absolutely thoroughly love Ikea. The other thing that's actually happening here in Ikea during the summer holidays is there are a ton of kids activities that are happening. They're not happening somewhere away from where customers are walking through the shop, through the room sets. They're actually happening integrally within the room sets, which is really interesting. So we've just walked past a member of staff who's sitting here, and the kids have had an opportunity to make some little seeds. So they've planted seeds. My son planted a lemon basil and my daughter's planted a purple basil. So it's been an opportunity for them not just to come out for the day, but to have some fun while they're out there. And let's think about it. What does that mean for us as parents? We have the opportunity in the summer holidays, a time in which you wouldn't even consider taking the kids shopping, to take our kids out shopping with us, and it's an inclusive family experience. I just thought that was really, really interesting to share, and I just thought maybe would give us another thought about how you can make your shopping experience cater for all of the family. That's it from me. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.